Hi everybody, I'm Drew with Mobility Scooters Direct. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the EV Rider Transport Plus folding mobility scooter. This is model S19 Plus. It's a really neat scooter. It has some cool features. The turning radius on this is fantastic. It has a 32-inch turning radius. The product is very light. It can be either 60 pounds or 70 pounds depending on which battery pack you get. The battery pack itself, you can get a lithium or lead acid battery. Of course, if you get the lithium, it's going to be lighter. The scooter has a max travel range of 15 miles. That is with the lithium batteries, and your maximum speed is up to 4 miles per hour. Right here we have a 16-inch seat. You can also get armrests with this scooter. But I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple neat things. One of the very neat features about this is that the seat comes off. I'm going to go ahead and show you that in just a few minutes, but I just want to show you how easy it is to actually fold this scooter. Folding the Transport Plus is a breeze. It's very simple. On the floorboard here, you're going to see a red handle. You just want to lift this straight up. You'll see that the scooter buckled. Grab the tiller, pull it back. You heard the click. At this point, we can go ahead and stand the scooter up and maneuver it wherever we need to place it. Now we have our scooter, it's out of our vehicle. We want to go ahead and unfold it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and lay it flat. And we're going to grab the red T-handle and we're going to pull it outward. And then you're going to lift up on the tiller. Once it's open and erect, you want to grab the bottom of the seat. Just give it a little pull, indicating, and you hear the click. So give it a little shake, you know it's locked in place again. One more time. It's locked. To unlock, grab the T-handle, lift straight up, hold the tiller and the seat and lift up. You heard the click, it's locked in place, and it's ready to operate. The seat comes off. This is the third knob that we have not discussed yet. That's right here at the back side. If you pull this out and you go ahead and you slide this chair forward, you can take the seat right off. It has 4 brackets, and you'll see them right here on the scooter. To put it back into place, you just want to line the brackets back up. Just make sure everything's in line. And then we go ahead and pull this again. Make sure it locks into place. I'm going to go ahead and show you that one more time. So just take it off. It's very simple. You have the 4 mounting brackets. You want to make sure that they're lined up. You can pull this T-handle out and turn it so that the nipple is out of the way and the channel stays clear. Just go ahead and put your seat back on by lining it up. Make sure all sides are engaged. And then release the T-handle. Make sure it's checked. It's locked into place. For a small scooter, the Transport Plus has a weight capacity of 250 pounds. The turning radius, as I discussed earlier, is great. It's a 32-inch turning radius. The specifications on the scooter indicate that this has a 2-inch ground clearance. With these wheels here, they're stabilizing wheels to help prevent the scooter from tipping. Right here, the ground clearance we found is about a 1/2 inch. The Transport Plus is going to come with 2 keys. Just go ahead and put your key in the scooter, turn to the right, wait for the green LED to turn on. This is your battery indicator. All of the LEDs should be lit up for a full charge. This is your speed adjustment. All the way clockwise would be your fastest, counterclockwise would be your slowest. It comes with a horn. It is pretty loud and it's high pitched. If you press in on the right side, that'll make the scooter go forward. If you press on the left side, it makes the scooter go backward. The scooter is also equipped with a LED headlight. The S19 also comes with a brake or motor disengage. What we do here is we put the scooter into the neutral position. This allows the scooter to be manually pushed in the event that the battery dies. In order to operate the scooter, it must be in the locked position for the scooter to properly function. The EV Rider Transport Plus folding mobility scooter is one of our most recommended scooters for sale. If you're interested in this product, visit our website, mobilityscootersdirect.com. You can chat with one of our sales representatives, call us anytime, and we'd be more than happy to talk to you. My name is Andrew, and we look forward to doing business with you.